You can say stop at any time, and wherever you stop, right there will be your card. Go ahead and call out stop, and let's say you call out stop right there. We take the card, flip it over, and see that you have the ace of clubs. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you. This card right here happens to be the ace of clubs. So clearly today I'm showing you how to force a playing card on your spectator. This one is specifically the slip jog force. For demonstration purposes, we'll use the ace of spades. Take your force card and put it on the top of the deck, then bevel the cards just like so, though your angle looks like this. The first time you're going to show them, you're going to riffle through, stop wherever they call out stop, and flip over the next card, in this case the 10 of spades. But the second time, we're going to do it different. The second time when you're beveling it up, your fingers are going to bevel it up like this by arching up, but at the same time your thumb is going to push this card down. That way, once you've actually stopped riffling, instead of taking all of the cards off the top, you're just going to slide these out like this. And your ace of spades, your force card, will stay in place because it'll be locked in between the pad of your thumb and your fingers on this side. Now all you have to do is drop it down, turn it over, and you've now forced your selected card. So now at this point, just don't select the 8 of hearts, and then we'll all be able to move forward. That is the 8 of hearts. You're not very good at this. Now obviously you'd never show up to a job site with just a hammer or just a wrench. Same with magic, you'll also want multiple forces. So you can check out the forces playlist right there and another video here. Plus if you want to pick up these cards or check out Patreon for some bonus content, that'll be in the description, and the cards might be 10% off to save you some money. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Make sure to subscribe. This is Card Perfect signing off.